Hello, my name is STEFANY SALCEDO, and on this day I am going to talk about the characteristics of empathy. Characteristics of empathy. What is empathy? Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings and experience of other people. It is imagine yourself in someone else's skins. Below we tell you what are the 4 characteristics of empathy that are an example in its importance. Know how to listen. Knowing how to listen is a fundamental characteristic of empathy. Empathic people like to establish enriching and constructive relationships. Understand the other. An empathic person is able to understand the other to the point of being able to feel what the other person feels and to understand their mental status sincerely. Identify with the other. Being empathy is also being able to put ourselves in the place of another to understand deeply and sincerely what he thinks or believes, what he feels or worries about, what makes him suffer or rejoice. Be supportive. An empathic person has a high sensitivity towards what other people feel or suffer. Therefore, empathy has a lot to do with solidarity, with the desire to help the other, especially when going through situations of need. These were some of the characteristics of empathy. Thanks for watching my presentation.